What up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm showing you guys how you guys can get free food off of DoorDash. As you guys can see, I paid $0 for this meal. Yes, $0. So I'm gonna show you guys how you guys can do the same and get your meals for free. So without further ado, make sure you guys like, sub, comment, and turn on post notifications. And yeah, let's hop right in. As you guys can see, I got my meal right here. I got this completely for free. Yes, completely for free. And I'm going to show you guys how you guys can do the same. So, yeah. As you guys saw, I got my meal completely for free. I didn't have to spend a penny. I didn't have to spend a dime. So, I'm going to show you guys how you guys can use the same method to get free food and free meals. So, without further ado, make sure you guys like, sub, comment, and turn on post notifications. And yeah, let's have a video. So, you want to open up the DoorDash app. You want to go to account. You just want to scroll down until it says refer friends get $10. You just want to press that. And you want to copy your link. Copy it. Then once you have your link copied, you go to Twitter. Then you just want to scroll through Twitter until you find a viral tweet. So I'm going to scroll through Twitter until I find a viral tweet. We're just going to do this one right here. So you just want to make up something like if you're... I usually do this. Copy. Boom. This is what I usually do. Then you guys go like that. Copy your referral link again. You go back and you paste it. You want to do a gaff. You just want to alright. You just then boom. Then you just want to press reply. It's that easy to get free food on DoorDash. Yes, that easy. You just gotta reply to viral tweets to get free food off of DoorDash. So without further ado, make sure you guys like, sub, comment, and turn on post notifications. And yeah, peace.